In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and resize pages in Affinity. We'll start by creating a fresh document so your pages or artboards are set up the right way from the beginning. Look to the top left of your screen and open the File menu. This is where new projects begin and where you can establish the core settings that will affect every page you add afterward. Choose New to open the new document window. This is your control center for document setup. Here, you'll pick the units you prefer, like pixels, inches, or millimeters, and you can choose color mode if you already know whether the project is for print or screen. Taking a moment here ensures smoother work later. Next, select the size for your first page. You can use a preset such as A4, letters, or common screen sizes, or enter a custom width and height if you have something specific in mind. You can also choose orientation, portrait or landscape, based on your layout needs. If you care about print edges, this is also where you can set margins and bleed so your layout has the right boundaries. Now, enable artboards by clicking the Artboard option in the new document window. In Affinity, artboards function as individual pages you can design, arrange, and export. Turning this on tells Affinity that you want a multi-page document structure right from the start, which is perfect for brochures, presentations, or multi-screen designs. Once your document opens, adding another page is quick. Find the plus icon associated with your pages and click it to create a new one. Each new page appears as a separate artboard, so you can keep different layouts cleanly separated. If you want your pages to match in size, stick to the same preset you chose at the start. If you're exploring different formats, the plus icon lets you add as many as you need, and you can rearrange them to keep your flow logical. To resize a page, make sure the artboard tool is active. With it selected, click an artboard to highlight it, then drag its edges or corners to adjust the dimensions visually. For precise changes, use the width and height fields in the context toolbar and type exact values. Keeping your units consistent with how you set them earlier helps avoid confusion. If you're designing for print, remember to maintain margins and bleed settings so nothing important gets trimmed. For screen designs, stick to whole pixel values for crisp results. That's it. Create a new document, pick your size, enable artboards, and use the plus icon to add pages. Then resize them with the artboard tool whenever you need.